What's up, guys? Today we're going to be changing out the air filter on a 2012 Chevy Suburban. Well, I'm not. She is. So I'm not a mechanic and neither is she. But for entertainment purposes, and also if anybody needs to know how to change an air filter, that's what we're doing this for. So what you want to do, what you want to do is you want to get this star screwdriver shape looking thing, right? It's got like a star shape on it. I don't know the proper name, but basically it's like a star screwdriver to me.
A snowflake.
You a star screwdriver, right? Snowflake, whatever you want to call it. Now you basically just want to unscrew these 4 screws that are in there. So what she's going to do is she's going to unscrew all of these, and then this right here should open right on up, and you should be able to see the old air filter. And then you want to swap that out, put the new air filter in there, and boom, close it back up, screw it back on, and you're good to go. So you're going to put it face down, okay, inside there, right?
Put it in there like somewhere.
Yeah, get it in there. Place it in there. Okay, so it's in there?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Now you got to make sure this is put back on properly. Okay. Push that back a little bit. This part, push it back a little bit. There you go. Now here go the screws, so y'all can screw it back in. Here you go. Now mind you guys, I mean, this shouldn't take you that long really to do this, but this video is way longer only because I'm trying to show my youngins how to do something. But on a normal circumstance, you know, something like this really only takes like a couple minutes. Just FYI. Come on, but excuse me. Pay attention to what you're doing, sweetie. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Your focus needs to be over here.
I just need to make sure it's tight.
Okay. It's in there good though, right? Okay. Good money?
Good money.
Alright, bet it. Hey. Good job on your part. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Bam. You know what I'm saying? That's how you knock out multiple birds with one stone. You know what I'm saying? Got my air filter fixed. You know what I'm saying? I ain't had to get my hands dirty, and I spent time with my youngest. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do over here, man. Be easy.